Hello, Mili.
Hello.
Thank you for walking us through this. You're the product owner for this project.
Yes.
Which is called My Story.
Yes.
And it is about managing the cases for children who are living out of home. That's as far as I understand it. Maybe you can give us a bit of introduction on this.
Well, the core aim of Bernardo's is to support children, see children's charity. So as part of Bernardo's, especially in terms of software development, we have been developing products for use within Bernardo's as well as licensing out to other agencies. And My Story is one such product, which is the newest one, in development for 3 years. And this is a guided practice case management system. Possibly the best word is a guided practice case management tool. It's not an IT system. It's a tool for the case workers to work on their day-to-day work and assist case workers to record information about the children who are placed within our agency, and making sure that the whole process of the children who are within our care is recorded in an electronic system.
So this product has been in development for quite a while, and a version of it is already out there, true to the Agile spirit, ship early. And you're managing, or you're the product owner for a team of 9, and we've just seen the stand-up, and you're using the Taskboard quite heavily. If you could give us a brief overview of what the Taskboard is like and how you use it, that'd be great.
Excellent. This is the Taskboard. We talk to the board every day and in the morning at the stand-up, and the board is made up of 5 different columns. What happens at the start of the sprint is there's lots of these little white cards. Each card represents a story. We use TFS, and each piece of work is recorded here. So each card has its own individual template. It's got a number, unique ID for that story, a brief description of what the story is about, who is allocated to the story, and the actual estimated. This is a team estimation. So they're all in to-do in the beginning, and then once someone is ready to pick up a story, they mark it to in progress, write their name, initials against it, and then start working on the story, splitting them into tasks, pulling people in to work on the story if required, normal agile process. Once the story is ready for the story owner, thinks that the story is completed, then it moves into the next column, which is a review column. So at stand-up, what happens is the story owner will talk, I finished the story, it's ready for review, and then mark it in the review board. If you come further down, there is a review column which has got the initials of the individual people in the team, and then they'll say on a round robin basis who's next in line, and then they go ahead and mark the initial of the person who's going to do the review. Once review is completed, again at stand-up, the reviewer will say, I've completed the review, it's ready for QA. If there's any issues, it moves back to in progress. Otherwise, it moves to QA, and then at stand-up, they'll say ready for QA and move it to the next column. So then this would move to QA column. QA then takes over and then does all the testing that's related to the task. If QA fails, they mark a big red dot against it. If it passes, stand up, again update and say this story has passed, QA is all good, and move it to done. And then the cards stay in here for the whole sprint until sprint delivery completed and everything is passed, then the card is actually removed.